Hello, I'm attorney Chris Morgan. I often have clients who want to keep their cabin or another piece of recreational property in their family long after they pass away. It seems like a simple enough goal, but I have seen some real nightmare scenarios when people don't plan this very well. For example, many times I will see property that passed directly to children. So when mom and dad pass, maybe 5 children are added to the title of a cabin. That usually works for about 8 seconds, because if one of the kids passes away, that child's interest then goes to the grandchildren. See the problem? I've had clients bring in properties with 50 names on the title or even more. I've also seen properties where all of the owners are deceased, requiring multiple probate proceedings. Sometimes the cost of legally untangling the title of a property comes out to be more than the property is worth. Having a title with 1 million owners can also make things really complicated when repairs are needed or when various owners want to use the property differently. I've seen a lot of amazing properties fall into disrepair because no one can agree on how to pay to fix things. It can also make insurance a nightmare. For example, I once had a client who had a family reunion pose for the family photo on the cabin's back deck. The deck collapsed and sent 30 people falling 2 stories to the emergency room at the same time. Who was responsible to cover the injuries? The individual owners, some of whom in this case didn't even know they were on the title. A cabin trust can solve this and many other problems. In a cabin trust, the trust owns the cabin long after you pass away. The families can then retain a vote on how it is run, but they don't individually take ownership. This means that the title is never burdened with multiple owners. Importantly, this also means that if a child has a creditor, they will not be able to take the cabin or force a sale. You can put rules in your trust dictating how your family will pay for repairs or make improvements. You can also build in the process for your family to decide to sell the property if no one is using it, or give others a first right of refusal to purchase it from the other trust beneficiaries. Feel free to call me with any questions about cabin trusts or any other estate planning questions. I never charge to chat. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.